Okay, welcome back to H2O David's YouTube channel.
Hi guys.
And today we have a competition.
Yes. So we're cooking meatballs today. And Matt Lewis needs to stay 7 feet from Trey, I think.
And if David loses, he has to stay 7 feet away from any Xbox controller.
I want to tell you something. Sometimes it's Wi-Fi to your phone allowed you to connect to your Xbox and you could switch through
We'll see if he can hack through that. But
it's not hack.
We'll see. So we have veggie meatballs versus turkey meatballs.
Yeah, and Magma, so because, guys, I want to show you Matt's. It's crumbles. Matt say egg would work, but I think egg to stick the breadcrumbs, not together. But Matt thinks that's how it works. Comment down below that works like that, because that makes no sense.
Alright, so
Maybe it does work.
So put our meat in our bowls, right?
Yeah. This is our first competition too. So now I put all the meat in.
Yeah. How many eggs do you want?
Usually you put 2.
2?
So,
Alright,
yeah.
I think mine is pretty small, so I'm going to start with 1, see how that goes.
1, maybe 4. And
Actually, I'm going to start with this in here. And mix it up well. You heard our oven beep, that means it's preheated to 350. We're going to bake these meatballs.
And guys, this is my first time and nothing went in it.
No shells?
Nope.
Rockstar.
I cracked it just right. Messed up on the opening part, but oop, no crack either.
Still no shells in there, alright.
This is my first time, guys, opening the egg in a very long time cooking meatballs. And Matt could do the rest for now till I wash my hands and yeah.
Okay, so I think this recipe calls for breadcrumbs. We don't have any breadcrumbs, so David came up with a good idea. To start, well, remember we don't have breadcrumbs, but we do have croutons.
Yes.
So how do we make croutons into breadcrumbs?
So let's get a blender. Guys, come over here, please. Come over here. To not the YouTuber Ninja, but the Ninja Blender. And you know, Matt, our YouTuber actually called Ninja.
Ooh.
So him not an actual ninja, it's just my hand is wet, so Matt could do the honors. And how many of this?
Half the bag.
It's already half the bag.
Yeah, they already
So the
started.
whole thing?
No, half of what's in there.
Okay. This one half, Matt. There. This one half.
I think a little more.
Welcome, guys. It's not a bread, but it's a crumb. My hands.
Okay.
My hands are so weak. And Matt, you get none.
What? That's not how it works. I need some breadcrumbs. seasonings. What seasonings are you putting in yours, David?
No seasoning.
I'm putting Italian. You're not even putting garlic powder?
I am, but I need a...
Little basil.
I need to mix this in, guys, first. And this is... I don't know.
A little oregano. Oregano.
Stop. The best thing. Anyways, you do it for me? Don't even ruin.
No way.
Yes.
Oh, put the garlic powder in? Sure.
Yeah, don't ruin. But
More?
a little bit. Done.
I'll take some garlic powder as well. And I am going to add some onions into mine. I don't think David wants onions.
Onions is instant. So guys, don't judge the size of a meat, a ball, but judge Matt. Judge Matt, definitely. Anyways.
Oh yeah, don't judge you, but judge me, huh?
Because you could lose, remember?
I'm gonna put some no stick on my pan.
You just do that now? You do it?
Put enough?
No, the whole thing now. I don't know we need the whole thing.
It's just canola oil. In an aspirator. You have one advantage here, David.
What?
2 hands.
It's not about that.
Okay, into the oven for 15 minutes.
And mine, guys, look at Matt's meat.
So we got
2 meats away
one
from
meat.
mine.
First meat. Oh, and I got it all away from me already.
Which one? How many do you have?
I have 7, and
I
you
got
have
9.
9.
But I think I could do 3 or 4 on mine. A pasta.
Alright, I start a timer.
And how long is it gonna take, Matt?
15 minutes.
We be back in
15 to 20 when the outside is brown.
We will be back.
We'll be back.
We be back. And we back, guys. From almost an hour. No, I'm just kidding.
It's been about 17 minutes.
Yeah.
The meatballs were ready in like 15 flat.
And one of the meatballs totally look like a blob.
Falling apart, yeah.
You can't see it, but you Photoshop it, it look like a shit. Lol.
So let's
Ha!
see
Him laughing to
if
death.
these are still pink in the middle or not.
Crap. I had
See if they're still pink in the middle.
I think we put too much brown.
No more pink. No more pink. We're good to go.
It's kind of, I thought it's be like light brown in the outside too.
They are a little browning on the outside.
They look like yellow-ish.
Do you want to put them in for longer?
No.
Okay.
I'm just saying. I don't know how, Matt. I think 3 and this one, the 4 biggest.
Chop.
How much? Like
tell you.
this? I don't
Yeah.
know how close I need to be. How close I need to be?
Go ahead.
Tell me when to stop.
That's good. A little extra.
Simmer out tray. Simmer eye.
Maybe another time we make our own pasta sauce.
No.
Okay, so we got some whole wheat pasta we just made.
This
And some
mine.
regular pasta.
It's all mine.
That
I
Don
can be
usually
choppy,
selects.
choppy. And pinch them.
Ooh, yours is already boiling. So do you want to put your meatballs in?
So guys, we have a pasta meal ready. Now the judge.
I'm not a judge.
You're not a judge. You don't need the judge of yours.
Okay, but we'll taste our own, right?
Yeah, then Matt go try mine, bite it a little bit, then spit out.
No.
Or swallow it and get dizzy.
I only
Which
eat.
one?
I only eat
I know,
meat
Matt.
that I've helped raise and kill and process and all that kind of stuff.
Well, they killed them.
Okay, we're
Just
doing
please
one for the
try
judge
mine.
here. So are you gonna try one or not?
Yeah. If you try mine, yeah. Matt, don't even try to do a psychology with the crowd
I
shit.
don't eat meat.
Matt having this fork. Here you go. And I'm having this.
Mondo, 4 big meatballs. Then you need a big fork.
You need a little fork. Not for you because you're so tiny.
I will take a normal size fork.
No.
Thank you.
Hey, no.
Julissa gets a big fork too.
How about this one? I'm not my size fork. I'm just.
Alright, let's try it.
First, if you want, you could mix around.
Which one are you gonna try first?
Oh, I think.
Oh, our judge is here?
I think so.
Okay, come on in, judge. Oh, wait. Do we want Parmesan or no Parmesan to start?
Let's start with no Parmesan.
Start with no Parmesan.
Oh.
Should we wait for the judge or do it first?
You wait for the judge. You want. How we gonna do this? How you want me to try yours first, Matt? Or mine? Mine are
your
pretty
choice.
big.
Come on.
Which one, then?
You got, this is the veggie one.
You don't need to show your face. Just block your face if you want it.
This is veggie, and this is meat.
And mine is big.
Okay, I'm trying veggie first. I don't know what
I'm
to do.
trying yours.
It should be a blind test.
It's stuck together. Too late. I think you figured it out.
Yeah.
The onion.
Decent.
It's not bad, right?
But a little spicy, a teeny
Look at this, a meatball.
Mine is bigger. Look at mine, giant.
Oh, he's got some big meatball.
Hold on.
All right,
You tried the meat? Which meat?
let's see. The faceless judge says.
I kind of think I like the vegetarian one better.
Vegetarian.
It's fine.
You taste it.
You don't need rubbing in though.
I'm not rubbing. I'm just celebrating.
Yes, you are actually.
Like for it being vegetarian, I don't think I would have been able to tell the difference.
A little more spicy.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you, Dave. You're such a good sport.
Yeah, I go push the button you use, so. No, I'm just kidding. Mine.
Right, taste your own
mine's
meatball. Let's see.
Squishy.
Squishy.
Yeah, mine.
They're a better shape. I agree.
I gotta get this tiny one. Actually, by itself. It pretty much tastes like nothing, but good.
Good. Thank you, Judge.
And have yours.
All right, comment down below if you have any other suggestions for us to
And-
cook or competitions. Hey. Your sister is not done with her food. Nice try.
Here, Danny.
Any last words?